Showing you how to disable password in WPS. WPS Office has integrated all of its apps, Writer, spreadsheets, presentations and PDF tool, all within one comprehensive window. The benefit to this is easier use and less going back and forth. More importantly, it saves computing resources, allowing your computer to operate more efficiently with less drag. WPS Office, an acronym for Writer, Presentation and Spreadsheets, previously known as Kingsoft Office, is an office suite for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, and Harmonios, developed by Zhuhai-based Chinese software developer Kingsoft. Working on a sensitive document. To prevent it from being opened by an unauthorized party, you can protect your document with a password. Major Office Suite apps such as Microsoft Office. Here is how you can do it. Search through your phone to find the WPS Office app and press on it once you found it. If you don't have the app, you can search for it on Google Play Store or App Store and download it. Go where you are seeing it's written Me and locate Settings to press on it. You will be asked to enter your password. After that, locate where it's written Passcode and press on it. Next you will have to press where it's written Turn Passcode Off Odd, press on it. You will have to confirm your password in order to save changes. Once it's all done, your password should be removed. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Showing you how to set flashlight to light when receiving WhatsApp calls. WhatsApp Messenger, or simply WhatsApp, is an American freeware, cross-platform centralized instant messaging and voice-over IP service owned by Facebook, Inc. It allows users to send text messages and voice messages, make voice and video calls, and share images, documents, user locations, and other content. WhatsApp is free to download Messenger app for smartphones. WhatsApp uses the internet to send messages, images, audio or video. It is popular with teenagers because of features like group chatting, voice messages and location sharing. WhatsApp is a free, multi-platform messaging app that lets you make video and voice calls, send text messages, and more, all with just a Wi-Fi connection. With over 2 billion active users, WhatsApp is especially popular among friends and family who live in different countries and want to stay in touch. Someone using WhatsApp cannot send messages to a person using Facebook Messenger. With texting, you can send or receive messages using any cell phone, no matter the cellular carrier. On the other hand, texting is native to each mobile device, so the only requirement to send text messages is a cell phone. WhatsApp requires your phone number to start the service, and this contact number can be seen by anyone added in our contact list. Unfortunately, there is no way to hide your phone number on WhatsApp. The app requires your valid phone number to let you log in into the service. WhatsApp allows users to send messages for free over the internet, so it bypasses phone carriers that may otherwise charge users to send texts over their networks. It's also free to install. This is how it's done. Go through your phone to find the Settings app, and once you've found it, press on it. Next, find where it's written Social Turbo and press on it once you've found it. Scroll to see where it's written Flashlight Notifications and you are going to enable it. Once it's enabled, all it takes is for you to get a call from WhatsApp and your flashlight will light notifying you that you have got an incoming call. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Showing you how to set a password for your hidden apps. Figuring out how to hide apps on Android can be frustrating. Not every brand of Android phone gives you the option to do it, and on those that do, there's a different process for each one. Like most smartphones and tablets, Android devices feature a home screen that extends horizontally beyond what you first see when you turn on the device. The other parts of the home screen are used to sort apps and widgets into groups and hide apps from prying eyes. It's natural for children to keep information from their parents. When you were a kid, chances are you didn't tell your parents every single thing you did or intended to do. And the same is true today. Unfortunately, teens and children of all ages can get into a lot more trouble online. And if they're using Android hidden apps, you'll never know about it. This is how you can do it. Scroll down with your two fingers to open hidden apps. Press where you are seeing the icon of settings. Now you can set your password. Whenever you open your hidden apps, they will always ask you to first enter the password in order to access your hidden apps. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to do a barrel roll with Google. Google is an American company that is most commonly known as a search engine. Although the company made its name as a search engine, and the vast majority of its income comes from advertising because of this, it has branched out into a number of areas such as cloud computing, software and hardware. Google uses the information shared by sites and apps to deliver our services, maintain and improve them, develop new services, measure the effectiveness of advertising, protect against fraud and abuse, and personalize content and ads you see on Google and on our partners' sites and apps. Google is the word that is more common to us now, and so it is sometimes mistakenly used as a noun to refer to the number 10,100. That number is a Google, named by Milton Serrata, the nephew of the American mathematician Edward Kastner, who was working with large numbers like 10,100. A new study suggests that searching online could be beneficial for the brain. Searching online triggers areas of the brain that control decision-making and complex reasoning. A study at the University of California, Los Angeles, measured brain activity of older adults as they searched the web. Google collects data about how you use its devices, apps, and services. This ranges from your browsing behavior, Gmail and YouTube activity, location history, Google searches, online purchases, and more. Many people have questions about Google collecting data and how it gathers information. I'm going to show you this cool trick of doing a barrel roll with Google. Search through your phone any browser you want and press on it once you found it. Type in Google and look for it. After it has loaded, the type into a barrel roll. The screen of your phone should flip. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Showing you how to change the language for any PPSSPP on Android. PPSSPP, an acronym for PlayStation Portable Simulator suitable for playing portably, is a free and open-source PSP emulator for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android, Nintendo Wii U, Nintendo Switch, BlackBerry 10, Migo, Pandora, Xbox Series 10, 3, Xbox Series S, 4, and Symbian with an increased focus on speed and portability. 5. It was first released to the public on November 1, 2012, licensed under the new GPL v2 or later. The PPSSPP project was created by Henrik Rydgaard, one of the co-founders of the Dolphin emulator. PPSSPP is one of the most functional PSP emulators available, and you can even use it in your Android device. If you have custom firmware installed on your PSP, you can dump your own PSP disks and copy them to your Android device. There's a legal gray area when it comes to downloading ROMs due to copyright and intellectual property issues. As such, we can't link out to any specific ROMs or even to download sites. If you were to Google EmuParadise or CoolROM to look up PSP games, though, we certainly wouldn't stop you. Once you've picked a site, look up a game you're interested in playing and download it. Technically, you should have a physical copy of the game you want to play, so proceed with caution. Read the prompts carefully, and make sure you select the right download link on the page. Once it starts downloading, you should see the downloading icon in your status bar, and you can keep track of the download's progress in your notification tray. Here is how you can change the language for any PPSSPP in your Android phone. Go through your phone to find the PPSSPP app and press on it once you found it. If you don't have it, then download it from Play Store. Once you have an interface such as this one, then you will have to press where it's written Settings. Having got to the settings, locate where it's written System and press on it. You should be able to see where it's written Language and you are going to press on it. Now select the best language that is most favorable for you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I will be showing you how to clear your local search history from Google Play Games. Google Play Games is an online gaming service and software development kit operated by Google, part of its Google Play product line, for the Android operating system. It features gamer profiles, cloud saves, achievements, and social and public leaderboards. Google Play is an online store where people go to find and enjoy their favorite apps, games, movies, TV shows, books, and more on their Android devices. Google Play is available in 190 countries and partners with developers from all over the world to distribute their apps. The Google Play Store contains applications for the Android system only. As already mentioned, other content is available, but as far as applications and games are concerned, only Android is supported. You can utilize music, movies, and books on other platforms, though. Although Google has tried to keep malware off of its platform, new reports of infected Google Play apps seem to pop up every year. Only download from reputable sources such as Google Play or the Amazon App Store. Although Google Play isn't 100% safe from malware, it's safer than downloading unofficial apps. This is how you can clear your local search history from Google Play games. Go through your phone to search for the application Google Play, and once you've reached it, then press on it. Next, you will have to press in the upright corner of your phone where you will be seeing 3 dots and press on Settings. Next, you will scroll up until you find where it's written your data. Under it should be where Clear Your Local Search History should be located. Press on it once you've found it. You will be asked to confirm if you really want to clear the data, and you will press on Clear. After that, your local search history should be delete. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Be showing you how to change theme in Play Store. A theme is a collection of attributes that's applied to an entire app, activity, or view hierarchy, not just an individual view. When you apply a theme, every view in the app or activity applies each of the theme's attributes that it supports. Themes are not the same as wallpapers. Themes change colors, icons, and menus, while wallpaper allows you to set the background image or picture on your screen. Well, if you are a rooted user and have Android 7 or above, then you can easily install the Substratum theme engine and apply any theme you like. For black theme, you can try pitch black like themes, and while applying the theme, select all the apps on which you want themes to be applied, in your case Play Store. There are also some default themes which can be applied in Play Store. Here is how you can change the theme in Play Store. Go through your phone to find the application Play Store, and once you reached it, then press on it. Locate on your account where it's written Settings and press on it. Go where you are seeing General. Now you should be able to see where it's written Theme and press on it. Among the theme available, you will just have to choose one that works for you. Whether it's dark or light, it will depend on you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll be showing you how to convert a video to MP3 by using Xender. Xender is one of the world's leading app, which lets you enjoy transferring files like photos, music, contacts, videos, and apps in the best possible manner. Through Xender you can transfer files of different types and sizes between mobile devices, with no cables, Wi-Fi or cellular internet connection or mobile data. Please be aware that no security measures that we take to protect your data are absolutely guaranteed to avoid unauthorized access or use of your data. When you use some Xender products or services, the data and content you share is visible to other users and can be read, collected or used by them. Absolutely no other connection is required. And users can share files between devices on different platforms, either Android, iOS or Windows. Of course, users need Xender installed in the mobile devices, but that's all, and the app is totally free to use. Xender has become the most popular file transfer app amongst Android users. The app is downloadable for free from Play Store. Android users can now earn real cash using the app. Here is the procedure to follow to convert any video to MP3. Go through your phone to find the Xender app, and once you found it, press on it. Go to the bottom of your phone to your left, you will find where it's written to MP3 and you are going to press on it. Next you will have to select the video which you want to convert to MP3. After you have selected it, then your video should be converted into MP3 format. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll be showing you how to set a password for your hidden apps. Figuring out how to hide apps on Android can be frustrating. Not every brand of Android phone gives you the option to do it, and on those that do, there's a different process for each one. Like most smartphones and tablets, Android devices feature a home screen that extends horizontally beyond what you first see when you turn on the device. The other parts of the home screen are used to sort apps and widgets into groups and hide apps from prying eyes. It's natural for children to keep information from their parents. When you were a kid, chances are you didn't tell your parents every single thing you did or intended to do. And the same is true today. Unfortunately, teens and children of all ages can get into a lot more trouble online. And if they're using Android hidden apps, you'll never know about it. This is how you can do it. Scroll down with your two fingers to open hidden apps. Press where you are seeing the icon of settings. Now you can set your password. Whenever you open your hidden apps, they will always ask you to first enter the password in order to access your hidden apps. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I will be showing you how to view currency of money in a calculator. A calculator is something used for making mathematical calculations, in particular a small electronic device with a keyboard and a visual display. Currency is a system of money in general use in a particular country. A currency in the most specific sense is money in any form when in use or circulation as a medium of exchange, especially circulating banknotes and coins. A more general definition is that a currency is a system of money in common use, especially for people in a nation. In some phones, this option of viewing currency is possible. It shows you all countries and their currencies they use. This helps a lot when you want to visit a particular country and you don't know about the currency that they use. Here is how you can view it. Search through your phone to find the application called Calculator. Press on it once you've reached it. Next, look in the corner for an icon shaped like a coin in dollars and press on it. This is where you will view all currency of any country you want. You will have to select which country you want and you will see its currency. For this to work you will need an internet connection. Also, like I said, not all phones have this option of currency. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I will be showing you how to disable autoplay videos in Play Store. As we all know, Google Play, also branded as the Google Play Store and formerly Android Market, is a digital distribution service operated and developed by Google. Play Store is Google's official pre-installed app store on Android-certified devices. It provides access to content on the Google Play Store, including apps, books, magazines, music, movies, and television programs. It can be quite annoying when video previews for movies and/or games automatically play when you open a digital store or streaming service. Think of the video preview that plays automatically on Netflix while reading the description of a TV show or movie. Or while reading the description of a game in the Microsoft Store on Windows 10. And having video previews autoplay for movies and games in the Play Store on your Android device is no exception. Here's how to stop the autoplay behavior of the store on your Android phone or tablet. Here is how to disable it. Search through your phone the application Play Store and once you found it, press on it. Next, click on your account and search for the settings of Play Store and press on it. Now locate where it's written Network Preferences and press on it. Press on Autoplay Videos and press where it's written Don't Autoplay Videos. Now from now on the Autoplay Video option is now disabled. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll be showing you how to set a password for your hidden apps. Figuring out how to hide apps on Android can be frustrating. Not every brand of Android phone gives you the option to do it, and on those that do, there's a different process for each one. Like most smartphones and tablets, Android devices feature a home screen that extends horizontally beyond what you first see when you turn on the device. The other parts of the home screen are used to sort apps and widgets into groups and hide apps from prying eyes. It's natural for children to keep information from their parents. When you were a kid, chances are you didn't tell your parents every single thing you did or intended to do. And the same is true today. Unfortunately, teens and children of all ages can get into a lot more trouble online. And if they're using Android hidden apps, you'll never know about it. This is how you can do it. Scroll down with your two fingers to open hidden apps. Press where you are seeing the icon of settings. Now you can set your password. Whenever you open your hidden apps, they will always ask you to first enter the password in order to access your hidden apps. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I will be showing you how to display what Google Assistant can do. Google Assistant is an artificial intelligence-powered virtual assistant developed by Google that is primarily available on mobile and smart home devices. Assistant initially debuted in May 2016 as part of Google's messaging app Allo, and its voice-activated speaker Google Home. Google Assistant offers voice commands, voice searching, and voice-activated device control, letting you complete a number of tasks after you've said the "OK Google" or "Hey Google" wake words. It is designed to give you conversational interactions. Google Assistant will control your devices and your smart home. Like Siri, Google Assistant can interact with your Android phone to do a variety of tasks, such as setting alarms or playing music. Like Siri, it can even handle some home automation devices. Google has a page explaining various types of actions here. And in case you're wondering, Google Assistant does not cost money. It is completely free, so if you see a prompt to pay for Google Assistant, it's a scam. As long as you have Android 6 or 7, you're eligible for Google Assistant. There's no particular version number you need. Google did originally give some confusing information that for Android 6, it was Android 6.1. Here is how you can do it. Search through your phone for the Google Assistant, and once you found it, press on it. Next on the interface you are seeing, just type in "what can you do?" Google Assistant should give you a list of all things it can do. You just have to familiarize yourself with all the things it can do. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I will be showing you how to change the search engine of Phoenix Browser. Phoenix Browser is a free mobile web browser for Android phones and tablets, with over 70+ million downloads on Google Play Store and other mobile application stores. Asides YouTube, you can download videos from virtually every website including Instagram. Phoenix Browser is a fast, safe web browser for your Android device, featuring a local newsfeed and free movie resources. Phoenix Browser loads your web pages 2x faster, saves 90% of your data and enables smooth browsing on slow networks, downloads all format videos and social media clips at lightning speed. Phoenix Browser is the best free web browser for Android devices with quick video downloading, private browsing, and data saving. It helps you access news, videos, H5 games, cricket information quickly and easily. With the help of its video detect function, Phoenix Browser makes various online videos downloadable. A search engine is a software program that helps people find the information they are looking for online using keywords or phrases. Search engines are able to return results quickly, even with millions of websites online, by scanning the internet continuously and indexing every page they find. Many browsers uses different searching engine. It all depends on the browser you are using and the type of search engine it uses. Here is how to change the search engine for Phoenix Browser. Go through your phone to find Phoenix Browser app, and once you found it, press on it. Look at the down part of your phone in the middle to find where it's written Me and press on it. Next, locate where it's written Settings and press on it once you found it. Search where it's written Search Engine and press on it. It shouldn't be far because it's the first one you are going to notice. As you can see, there are a lot of search engines available for us. You will just have to locate the one that suits you and you are going to press on it. Now your Phoenix's browser search engine should be changed. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Be showing you how to enable Heads Up. Google is releasing a new feature called Heads Up, which has started rolling out to its digital well-being Android app. When you turn on Heads Up, your smartphone will periodically display an alert that will remind you to keep your head up when the app detects you're walking and using your phone at the same time. We live in a society where it's no longer unusual to see people's faces glued to their smartphone screens. While that may be a social issue most of the time, it can be a safety hazard when people do so while walking. A few months back, Google introduced a simple way to remind people to keep their heads up once in a while when moving around. That Heads Up feature is apparently starting to roll out to other phones that aren't Pixel phones, provided you have digital well-being installed. We've all seen a hilarious video of someone walking down the street and right into a light pole while staring at their phone. Or maybe it wasn't a video and the person was you. Google wants to help you avoid being the star in the next episode of America's Funniest Home Videos, or avoiding near misses with cars, bikes and other pedestrians, with a new feature called Heads Up, rolling out to its digital well-being Android app. After turning on Heads Up, your phone will periodically display an alert that reminds you to keep your head up when it detects you're walking and using your phone at the same time. Heads Up is rolling out to Pixel phones, as spotted by XDA developers. After checking a few different Android phones on my desk, I only see it on Pixel phones as well. Google often uses its own Pixel line as a test bed before sharing features more widely with other Android phones, so even if you don't have Heads Up now, pay attention, because you might see it soon. I've reached out to Google to clarify which devices will fold in the news Heads Up feature. Here is how you can enable it. Search through your phone for the Settings app and once you've found it, then press on it. Scroll to find where it's written Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, then press on it. Search where it's written Heads Up and press on it. Just follow all the guidelines they will be telling you in order to set it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Be showing you how to disable spell checker. In software, a spell checker is a software feature that checks for misspellings in a text. Spell checking features are often embedded in software or services, such as a word processor, email client, electronic dictionary, or search engine. The spell checker works by comparing every word typed with thousands of correctly spelled words and then uses algorithms to determine the correct spellings. If a word, e.g., a name is spelled correctly, you can add it to the program's exceptions list so it's not flagged as misspelled. Spell check identifies and corrects misspelled words. It also allows you to search a document yourself for words you know you've misspelled. In Microsoft Word, spell check options, like spelling and grammar, may be found under the Review tab and Proofing window. The spell checker is used to correct the spelling of words, and the thesaurus is used to find the synonyms and antonyms of words. The spell checker is used to correct obvious mistakes in the spelling of words, and the thesaurus is used to correct a more subtle error, that of using the wrong word. To avoid that distraction, you can turn spell check off, then check spelling manually when you're done writing. Here's how. Select the text where you'd like to disable spell check, or press Ctrl+A to select the entire document. This is how you can disable it. Go through your phone to find the Settings app, and once you found it, then press on it. Scroll to find where it's written System and press on it. Next, locate where Language and Input is written and press on it. Now you should be able to see where spell checker is. All you have to do is to disable it, then it won't cause you any distractions anymore. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Be showing you how to make the screen stay awake even if it's charging. Android tablets or phones will allow you to prevent the display from going to sleep during the day with a stay awake mode. This mode will also help with dimming in the evening to conserve battery. Awake detection estimates the length of the awake phase in two ways. By comparing the length of the first light phase of your sleep with a standard, we can estimate how long it took you to fall asleep. The stay awake option should be set in your phone to allow continual communication between the phone and the software. If the phone is not set to stay awake, and is for example set to power saving mode, the phone may disconnect from other sources including our software and interrupt the process of extraction and analysis. To avoid draining the battery, an Android device that is left idle quickly falls asleep. However, there are times when an application needs to wake up the screen or the CPU and keep it awake to complete some work. The approach you take depends on the needs of your app. However, a general rule of thumb is that you should use the most lightweight approach possible for your app, to minimize your app's impact on system resources. The following sections describe how to handle the cases where the device's default sleep behavior is incompatible with the requirements of your app. Here is how you can enable it. Go through Phone to find the Settings app, and once you've found it, press on it. Locate where it's written System and press on it. Next, search where it's written Developer Options and press on it. This function might not be seen by some. Kindly watch our videos on how to become a developer. Next, locate where it's written Stay Awake and press on it. From now on, whenever your phone is charging, it will never sleep again until you disable it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Will be showing you how to disable absolute Bluetooth volume. Absolute Bluetooth volume allows Android users to control both the volume of the Bluetooth device they're connecting to and the volume of the phone with one volume control. Absolute Bluetooth volume is a feature that is available for devices running on Android 6.0 or later. In Android 6.0 and later, the Android Bluetooth stack lets a source set an absolute volume, giving users accurate control over audio volume. The source device sends unattenuated audio and volume information to the sync. This is a term that is applied to the ingredients of concrete or mortar. It specifically means the actual space occupied. With granular solids like cement and aggregate, the apparent volume is larger than the absolute volume because the apparent volume includes spaces between particles. With Bluetooth, your phone volume and the volume the device has are different. This function ups both volumes same amount, so you don't have to up the volume on the Bluetooth device and the phone separate. Some headphones, especially Bluetooth ones, are usually not in sync with the phone's volume. This option does just that. Here is how you can disable absolute Bluetooth volume if you don't want it. Search through your phone for the Settings app, and once you found it, press on it. Scroll to locate where it's written System and press on it. Next, locate where it's written Developer Options and press on it. For some, this option is not available. You can watch in our videos on how you can become a developer. Scroll to see where it's written Disable Absolute Volume. Before you do that, just read the short note that's under it to see if you really want to disable it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how you can set Phoenix to be your default browser. We know that Phoenix browser is a free mobile web browser for Android phones and tablets, with over 70+ million downloads on Google Play Store and other mobile application stores. Asides YouTube, you can download videos from virtually every website including Instagram. Phoenix browser is a feature-packed, fast, lightweight browser that saves you data. One of the most popular browsers on Google Play Store is the Phoenix browser, whose developer is listed as Shaltree Group. With over 50 million downloads, and a 4.5 out of 5-star rating, it seems quite a number of people really like the browser. Was developed by the Singapore, China-based mobile company Uweb, which is owned by the Alibaba Group. The browser is even more popular than Google's Chrome in some markets from Asia, like India and Indonesia. Phoenix browser is the best free web browser for Android devices with quick video downloading, WhatsApp status saver plugin, incognito browsing, data saving, and many more. Video downloading. Access websites. Download multiple files, videos. This is how you can set Phoenix browser to be your default browser. Search through your phone the application's Phoenix browser and press on it once you found it. Next, locate where it's written Me and press on it. Press on Settings to go through the browser's settings. Scroll to find where it's written Set a default browser and switch it on. Once you've switched it on, then anytime you want to open a link, then it will be opened in Phoenix browser. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Showing you how to disable Awake. This means that your phone will never sleep once it's charging. Awake means the CPU is in the running state. This usually means you're using it and the screen is also on. Android devices also regularly wake up to check email, push notifications, and so on, even when the screen is off. Also, playing music or using navigation both with screen off forces the CPU to be awake. When an Android device is left idle, it will first dim, then turn off the screen, and ultimately turn off the CPU. This prevents the device's battery from quickly getting drained. Yet there are times when your application might require a different behavior. Apps such as games or movie apps may need to keep the screen turned on. Other applications may not need the screen to remain on, but they may require the CPU to keep running until a critical operation finishes. There are times when you don't want your smartphone's screen to automatically dim after a few seconds. Working from a recipe, showing off photos, studying your social media strategy. But there's no way to do this natively on stock Android. The most you can extend the delay to is 30 minutes. If you need your display on permanently until you manually lock it, then there are apps and tweaks to help. This appears to show the amount of time that an app has asked the OS to stay in a waking state. Here is how you can do it. Search through your phone for the Settings app, and once you found it, press on it. Scroll to find where it's written System and press on it. Locate where it's written Developer Options and press on it. You need to activate developer mode first. Tap the build number entry in the About Phone menu in Settings 7 times, and then choose Developer Options from the Settings menu. Choose Stay Awaken as long as your phone or tablet is plugged in. The screen won't go to sleep after a certain period of time. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. How to display what Islams need in their day-to-day life using Phoenix browser. It doesn't even require the internet. Islam is an Arabic word meaning submission, and in the religious context means submission to the will of God. Islam is derived from the Arabic word Salm, which literally means peace. The religion demonstrates peace and tolerance. The main message of Islam is monotheism. Belief in monotheism is the cornerstone of the Islamic faith. Muslims believe that all the prophets sent by God to humanity shared the same central message, and that was the message of monotheism. Followers of Islam aim to live a life of complete submission to Allah. They believe that nothing can happen without Allah's permission, but humans have free will. Islam teaches that Allah's word was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad through the angel Gabriel. Followers worship Allah by praying and reciting the Quran. The two major Muslim holidays are Eid al-Adha, celebrates the Prophet Abraham's willingness to sacrifice his son for Allah. Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, the Islamic holy month of fasting. Muslims also celebrate other holidays. Without wasting more time, let's get to it. Search through your phone for the Phoenix browser app and press on it once you've found it. On the middle down part of your phone, locate where it's written Me and press on it. Next, press where it's written Settings to go through the browser's settings. Scroll to find where it's written Islamic and press on it. All you have to do is to switch the Islamic future on to view all Islamic activities. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to insert pictures and other shapes in Microsoft Word. For example, you are working on your presentation and you need it to be simple, well organized and very adaptable. Word allows you to insert pictures into your document such as logos of companies, photos and other pictures to give more interest or a more professional look to your document. Adding pictures to your document can be a great way to illustrate important information and add decorative accents to existing text. Used in moderation, pictures can improve the overall appearance of your document. Adding pictures to your document can be a great way to illustrate important information and add decorative accents to existing text. Used in moderation, pictures can improve the overall appearance of your document. Here is how you can do it. Click on the Start menu to open up a search box. Type in Word and click on it once you found it. Click where you are seeing blank document to start a new document where you will insert a picture. You can even open your recently created document. Next, locate and click where you are seeing insert. Now on the new interface you should be able to see options you have. You can add pictures from your computer or even online pictures. You can also add any shapes you want depending on the work you will do. You can add even tables. Basically that's all you can do. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to delete everything from the recycle bin. The recycle bin acts as a holding bay for deleted items, such as files and folders, and even shortcuts. When you delete a file or folder, it is not deleted from your computer permanently. Instead, Windows 7 places the deleted items into the recycle bin. People make the common mistake of assuming that the deletion of a certain file is enough to completely delete it from your system. Yes, it does make sense to make that assumption. After all, when you delete a certain file from your computer, you actually transfer it from whatever local directory or folder to your system's recycle bin. And when you empty your recycle bin, you are actually emptying out its contents into oblivion. So, the file must have been deleted in the process, right? Yes, it has been deleted, and you can no longer see the name of the file, or the icon that was previously assigned to the file in any of your local disks, hard drives, or folders. Still, with the help of sophisticated software, hackers can still retrieve that deleted file easily. This is because there are still many references to that deleted file that you can find in your system. Thus, you need to do more than plain deletion. You need to have a recycle bin shredder in your system. The recycle bin shredder does more than plain deletion of the file in question. When you create a file, no matter what type this may be, you actually allot memory space to that file. When you delete the file, its physical existence may be wiped out. However, that memory space previously allotted to it still exists. And until such time that the space would be overridden by another created file, it would still serve as evidence of the previously deleted file. By accessing that space, the deleted file can still be retrieved, to some extent. When particular software programs are used, even the whole deleted file can be retrieved back into existence. It would not make that much difference if the file you deleted is something quite trivial in nature. But what if your system contains a lot of sensitive information? It could be very detrimental for your clients and your company itself if this sensitive information would fall into the wrong hands. And you can never discount the existence of such computers users or hackers because there are indeed a lot of them out there, just waiting for you to make that grave mistake. If you operate a company that handles a lot of sensitive information, then you should consider making the investment of having a recycle bin shredder in your system. This way, your clients and your very own system can be protected from these potential hackers and such. This is how you can do it. Search your computer for recycle bin and once found, click on it. Locate where it's written empty the recycle bin and click on it. It should take a while depending on the amount of files you need to delete or amount of files located in your recycle bin. Now all items that were in your recycle bin are deleted permanently. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.